Hi, my name is Camila Favero, and this is my midterm project, a case from a company named Biopharma. As a little introduction to the company, is that Biopharma is a pharmaceutical company focusing on developing innovative treatments, particularly for oncology, and it has created a new oncological drug that has the potential to improve cancer treatment. But since 2020, the company has been working to obtain approvals in Mexico to introduce this drug to the market. But because the company lacks from a structured regulatory strategy, it has been causing delays and inefficiencies. Context of this pharmaceutical industry is that, first of all, it is highly regulated. This requires company to undergo complex approval processes before launching new drugs. In Mexico, COFEPRIS oversees these drugs approvals, demanding strict compliance with regulations. The competitiveness is very high, and also these regulatory delays can result in significant financial losses. And this demand for innovative cancer treatments is growing. So it makes timely approvals essential to meet patients' needs and also to not miss market opportunities. And well, the main problem is internal disorganization. And with this, we mean the lack of leadership and slow decision making, meaning that there's no clear team responsible for regulatory approvals. The communication gaps create a lot of confusions. Also, the delays in regulatory management, meaning that there are a lot of errors in documentation submitted to COFEPRIS, there are missed deadlines, and ineffective engagement. Also, the disorganization in clinical trials, also meaning that there's no dedicated team to ensure this compliance with clinical protocols. Also, delays in gathering and reporting trial data. And of course, authorities question the validity of these results. And we have also issues in productions and logistics. There's poor coordination between production and distribution teams. There's no plans to ensure drug supplies once approved. And also, these supply chain efficiencies create a lot of costs and risks. Now, the consequences of these issues, we have delayed approval, financial losses, um, patient impact, of course, and missing market opportunities, as I said so in the last, in the last slide, and reputation damage. And with this, I found three possible solutions. The first one is implementing an agile project management framework. This means that the company adopts an agile methodology with short-term goals and continuous feedback loops. Then a scrub team is formed, like including regulatory, legal, and scientific experts to resolve approval obstacles, efficiency, of course. Um, Also, there must be weekly stand-up meetings to ensure this workflow momentum. And the expected outcome would be to have a faster decision making, improve documentation accuracy, and a structured regulatory process, gathering existing teams in the company. The solution number two is creating a specialized regulatory and logistics division. This means that the company established this RLD division dedicated to handling approvals and market readiness, as well as overseeing COFEPRIS submissions, reducing these documentation inconsistencies. This specialized group would ensure seamless communication between scientific, legal, and supply chain members. And to be more specific, there must be also a chief compliance officer, appointed to oversee only regulatory affairs and maintaining relationships with COFEPRIS. And then, of course, a production strategy team, right? And well, the expected outcome must be to have a permanent solution to regulatory inefficiencies, better internal coordination, and improve readiness to future drugs approvals. And lastly, we have the solution number 3, which is outsourcing regulatory affairs and compliance management. This means that Biopharma hires an external regulatory consulting firm specializing in COFEPRIS approvals. This firm audits Biopharma's processes and provides structured recommendations. This also means that Biopharma would delegate document management to these experienced professionals, reducing delays due to this internal disorganization. And also more specific, a liaison officer is appointed with the Biopharma to coordinate this connection between the company and the consultants. And well, this solution goes to having a streamlined approval process, reducing compliance errors, and fastest market entry. And well, the cons is that yes, Biopharma would have a higher expense when paying for this external service, but it would be a great solution. But that's why I think solution number 2 is the best one, which is to have a regulatory and logistics division. Must be the best option. And that's it. Thank you.